Hello Dyno kids, welcome again. Today we're going to learn about vegetables. Yeah, healthy vegetables. Come, let's see what and all in this video. Let me start. Cabbage. Next, carrot. Next, eggplant. It's also called brinjal. Next, pumpkin. It's an onion. Broccoli. Next, tomato. Next, beetroot. It's a radish. Turnip. Colorful capsicum. Garlic. Peas. Lady's finger. Next, cauliflower. Corn. It's a potato. Next, mushroom. Ginger. Red chilli. Green chilli. Cucumber. Sweet potato. Avocado. Okay kids, hope you learned some of the vegetables, is it? Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye-bye.